What's up, bro? How much y'all gonna give me for it, bro?
This one?
I already know I'm about to get lowballed to death, bro. I already know. I'm probably not gonna sell it anyway. So.
We just do conditions, options.
Yeah.
But we'll put the value. We'll give it to someone, and someone else put the value on it.
Okay.
But see what you get.
Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, no problem. We're about to go in there and give me 2 cents for that shit. Chat, bro. We are at Carmax, bro. Right near the Bugatti dealership, bro. I cannot believe these cost $61K, bro, for M3. It's slower than the Mustang, bro, and I feel like the Mustang has more features. Especially for the 60K, you can get a premium, bro. Shit crazy. Nah, man, we looking around, bro. We car shopping right now. You know what we want to get next, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm probably gonna get me another Mustang. There's in Hollywood, they're about to get the new Super Snake, so I'm gonna go look at that next week. Probably. They said they'll call me when it gets here. I don't know, bro. I feel like too many people got these, bro. They're nice. Just look too much like a McLaren, bro, but hey, these things tough. This is what I want right here, bro. I want a C7, not the soft top, but something like this, bro. I'm gonna kit it out. Put the Euro tail lights on there. Now let's see if we can test drive the C8 though. I don't know if I want to trade my car for this, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, can I test drive it?
Yeah, we gotta go inside, get your license. Keys are in the car.
Thank you.
Yellow plate on the back, so it is covering the camera, but that's just there since the registration is expired, so you don't get pulled over. You have my number if you need anything. When you come back, just park up here. Just have fun.
Okay.
Not too much fun.
No, I won't.
Okay, have fun though.
Thank you.
I'll see you in a little bit.
No. Okay, yeah, we can trade right after. Alright, chat. I know Carmax does that, lets you test drive it yourself, bro. After they was a little froggy let me even in this motherfucker, bro. But then I had to show him, like, I wasn't even gonna sell my car, but I had to show him, like, yeah. She actually like, so are you here just to take videos, or are you actually gonna buy something? So I had to be like, all right, champ. Like, this is my whip right here, bro. Like, we in the same. This ain't a stretch for me, bro. So I had to flex on them real quick. Now they had they up them keys. So we getting our own test drive, chat. My GoPro dead, but so I'm gonna try my best, bro. Okay, bro, we in the C8, chat. We in the C8, chat. Let's see what this thing talking about, bro. There we go. Shit. Oh, this slick nice, John. I see why y'all like these, bro. We got the display, overhead display. Oh, this slick nice, chat. I don't want track mode, so my bad, champ. I ain't mean track mode. We can do sport. We can do sport. You know what I mean? Hold on, champ. We're gonna get a slight little launch. Okay, champ, I heard you. Okay, that thing got up. I didn't even think we was gonna go 0 to 60 that fast, boy. That thing got up. I was lightly tapping that shit too. Okay, bro. Heard you. Oh. my, champ. Woo! Oh my. Hey, so this is what it feel like to be in a supercar, champ. This is what it feel like to be in a supercar, champ. I ain't gonna lie, this slick tough. It's better than I expected, bro. I might have to get one of these, bro. I don't know if it's, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't ready to give in to my Mustang yet, bro. We finna have to keep looking, but I ain't gonna lie, this might be the next whip, champ. It just needed a little resonator delete. That's all it needed, bro. It needs something. It needed the exhaust, bro. I want to hear that thing, bro. This shit nice, though. Chat, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What y'all think, bro? This or the new Mustang, the new Super Snake? What y'all thinking? And we build it. I heard these are terrible to build, though. Okay. This the light meter. Okay. They didn't even want to let me get this motherfucker till they see my whip, bro. That crazy, chat. They saw that camera. They thought I was Quan, bro. Tell me what y'all think in the comments, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this tough. It's tough. I respect it now, even though I see so many of them. I respect it. It's a mean car, bro. We got stuck in a little residential, bro, so that kind of ruined my little test drive, but hey, all right, here we go. We on green. This is my last little rip. This is my last little time with this thing, bro. Hold on. Ooh.
In half a mile, turn right onto Wilkening.
It just feels different, bro, because it's so low to the ground. So when you even put your foot on that motherfucker, you feel that motherfucker, bro. All right, this is it, chat. I can't do that. I can't do what I want to do in this thing, but yeah, we finna give it back to him, chat. I'm gonna tell him I hated this shit. Where's Carmax at?
To put it to auction.
Yeah, I get it. No, 29,000 is crazy. Yeah, I wouldn't sell it. I'd probably just keep it. I'm gonna keep that car forever. Chat, bro. So we just got done test driving the C8. What do y'all think, bro? Should we get that thing, bro? I might need to sign that little re-enlistment, bro. Get the little 50K. We keep doing YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We just pull up. You know, 24 GT. Or should I keep looking at that Shelby? I want that Shelby, bro. I ain't gonna lie with you, bro. I need that. I might need me a little Shelby, GT, Super Snake, something like that. You know what I'm saying? We gonna keep grinding, though. Once these videos, start watching these videos, bro, so I can pop out, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be bigger than all them, you know, Quan all them, bro. I'm trying to pull out this Super Snake next month, bro. So blow the channel up, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that thing's sweet, though, but I ain't gonna lie. This Mustang, something about it, bro. Appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. If you liked it, sub, man, share it, bro. You know, get me up there, bro. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a good dude, bro. I serve my country and stuff. Like, come on, bro. Blow me up, bro. Come on, man. I ain't gonna scam y'all with t-shirts and drop shipping, like, you know, I'm not gonna say no names, but come on, bro. I'm trying to be up next, bro. Come on, man. Drop a sub, drop a like, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, bro. Peace.